Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, crystal growth investigations continue on board Space Station, a spacewalk is on the books, and astronauts participate in final training ahead of an upcoming launch. On Friday, Expedition 67 Commander Oleg Artemyev and Flight Engineer Denis Matveev, both of Roscosmos, will venture outside the station's space-facing hoist hatch to participate in a spacewalk. The primary objectives of the spacewalk are to relocate an external control panel for the European robotic arm from one operating area to another, and test a rigidizing mechanism on the arm that will be used to facilitate the grasping of payloads. Back on the ground, a trio is gearing up for a launch on a Soyuz rocket later this month. Soyuz Commander Sergei Prokopyev and Flight Engineer Dmitry Petelin of Roscosmos and NASA Flight Engineer Frank Rubio conducted final qualification training Tuesday and Wednesday at the Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center in Star City, Russia. The training is taking place ahead of their upcoming launch to the International Space Station, scheduled to launch Wednesday, September 21st from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The crew is scheduled for a 6-month stay at the orbiting laboratory. Studying protein crystals can contribute to the development of disease-fighting drugs and new materials. Scientists have long found that protein crystal growth in the microgravity environment of space are of higher quality than protein crystals grown on Earth. This week, NASA astronaut Kjell Lindgren worked on the Advanced Nanostep experiment, which aims to improve the quality of space-grown crystals while utilizing shorter sample preparation periods and learn more about what kinds of impurities deteriorate protein crystal quality grown in space. Advanced Nanostep uses special equipment to measure crystal growth rates, nucleation rates, and study of the surface structure of the crystals. This information may advance capabilities for the research and production of materials and drugs in space and contributes to a working body of knowledge concerning the biochemistry of organisms in microgravity. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks so much for watching. We invite you to visit blogs.nasa.gov/Artemis to get the layest update on the Artemis 1 mission to the moon. And as always, you can keep up to date on the latest news about the International Space Station on Twitter @space_station. We'll see you next week.